Uncle Nudge here, and today I'm at the confluence of two creeks that are jade bearing creeks. And so, with the guide from my rock club, I'm hoping to be able to identify jade more readily than I have in the past, and you know, find some great jade. So out here with some old friends and some new friends, and right now I'm kind of looking for just unique rocks, stuff that looks cool, and not quite getting to the jade yet, but definitely find some cool stuff. So I took a little footage with one of my drones, and got some rock club members here that are looking for jade themselves, and a lot of fun being with the group. Beautiful country here. I didn't go up this creek today, but in the future I'll go up this creek. But definitely found jade up the other creek. So for those of you in Washington State, this is up somewhere around Darrington. It's kind of the jade area. So I found this rock here, and I didn't wind up taking it. Maybe I would have, but I actually kind of forgot about it. But it's a pretty cool green rock. In here, I kind of find a group of rocks. This one's a little bit agate quartz, almost betrayal, and definitely kept it. Another one that you might call betrayal too is really cool. I don't know if it's jade or serpentine. Another similar rock that I wound up keeping. Very nice. Then probably a piece of jade. And I'm not sure what this is. A little bit more drone footage. Kind of took a shot here where going to the group and still learning the drone, and actually crashed it. So I got a few things in my bucket and kind of moving on upstream a little bit here. I had to take a side trail because of some logs and stuff that were blocking walk up.
Max altitude reached.
Yeah, and here we got another club member that also has a drone, and we'll probably be working together a bit. Her drone's a little bigger than mine. And here there's just a giant rock kind of in the middle of the creek, and it's pretty interesting. Just kind of took a walk around it and found something kind of cool there. Wound up taking home. So here we got a fellow rock club member and friend that is also shooting some video, but we didn't have a chance to get together and edit our separate footage together. But in the future, I'm sure we'll figure it out. So here's my field trip guide who's showing me how to identify and find Jade, and he was really helpful, and by the end of the day I was definitely able to pick it out myself and pick up probably 20 pieces or so, which was real nice. And so in the future, I know that I'll be able to find Jade. Okay, I got today's finds. Got approximately 100 rocks, and I'd say at least a dozen of them are jade, maybe even 2 dozen. I don't know, but some interesting stuff. Be making pendants and polishing some of them. Really cool striped. Kind of a botrydal. Some different stuff. Got some different jades that actually a bunch of them that'll need to grind the skin off. A bunch of these are jades. Some moonstone agates. A couple of bigger pieces. So anyway, it was a pretty fun time. Some good friends. And thanks for watching.